Hi, I'm Annie, designer at Cipriani 3Design Studio, and I'd like to introduce you to KUBU, the table lamp that turns light into pure character. Born and made entirely in Italy, KUBU is 3D printed layer by layer in premium PLA, giving its low-poly body a sculptural, modern presence that brings personality to any space. Watch how it changes mood with color: calming sage green, sun-baked, bold purple, sleek glossy black, the same form, endless emotions. Standing about 38 centimeters tall, KUBU fits perfectly on nightstands, desks, or creative corners. Pop in any E27 bulb, I recommend a globe, plug it into your EU socket, and you're ready to shine. The shade tilts and rotates directly on the bulb so you can aim the beam and shape the atmosphere. Choose your finish: glossy for mirror-like reflections or matte for a velvety touch. Just launched. Starting today, KUBU is made to order exclusively through our Etsy shop. Every lamp is printed and hand-finished just for you. No two are ever exactly alike. If you love design that blends form and function, KUBU is your next statement piece. Hit the link in the description to order yours, and let me know in the comments which color speaks to you.